Hello everyone, welcome to Science This Week presented by Brainworks TV. Many of us learned that electricity can be dangerous and sometimes even fatal when we were small kids. Overheated power lines carry a lot more electricity, so touching them is even more dangerous. But have you ever wondered how birds perch on power lines without being electrocuted? Do you know overhead power lines are made of copper and aren't even insulated, as the wire of our common household appliances? Well, it's not that birds have superpower. Let me explain how this is possible. So, when a bird perches on a wire, both their feet is on the same wire. They are not in contact with an area of higher electron potential, so it's fine. But if a bird moves one foot to a different wire with different potential, their body has formed a path for their electrons to move from lower to higher potential, also known as circuit. Current flows through their body and the bird is electrocuted. Thankfully, birds don't have problem with their power grids. Electricity allows us to do amazing things, but also it can be fatal to our feather friends. So it's always better to leave the power lines to the professionals. Hope this video was useful in explaining why the birds don't get electrocuted by live wires. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.